Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, we learned assignment operator. In this video, we are going to learn membership operator. Okay, so there are two membership operator, in operator and not in operator. Okay, so what is membership operator? Membership operator are used to check whether a value exists inside a collection such as string, list, tuple, set, or dictionary. Okay, these are data type of Pythons. So we are going to learn in next video that is tuple, list, this data type, and other data type also. But keep in mind, so with the help of in and not in operator, we check whether the value is exist in this set data types or not. Okay, so first is in operator. Okay, so we will perform practical also. So we will open command prompt and side by side I will show you what output is. Though both operators gives either true or false as a output. Okay, so let's see. We will open command prompt and I will show both operator. Okay, before we writing any Python statement, we have to write Python keyword, then enter. After that we can write anything. Okay, so we have one list set like this fruit. If we put here, okay, and if we check print apple in fruits. Okay, then what should be the output? Apple is present in this list we create with the help of brackets. Okay, so it is true because apple is present. If anything we check that is not present in list or any data type or set, so that time it gives false. For example, print apple. Okay, this not present, so it will give, sorry, print apple in fruits. So we use capital A. Okay, so it is case sensitive, so it will not come assuming it is same, so it will give false. Okay, it is false. Anything we write which is not present in our list, it will give false. If it's present, it will give true. Okay, so we will perform this for not in operator. So we will take this example. What not in shows, not in operator returns true if the value is not present. Okay, it gives true if value not present, means it's opposite to in operator. Okay, so there is we have list and there are four values: sai, apple, banana, and mango. Okay. Okay, if we check print sai not in fruits. Okay, what will be the output? False, because it is present. Print orange. Okay, print orange, orange not in fruits. This is not present, so it will give true. Okay, same we can perform for string also. Okay, let's check one string. Okay, this, if we use this string. Okay, we have this string. Before we use a list, that is set, and if we use simple string and we check that, print hello in text. Okay, okay, hello is present in our string, so it gives true. Print hello not in text, but it will give, it is false because it is present. Print Sai in text, what it will use, true, because I is present. So in this way we can check either value is present or not present. So we can also use this operator with if block, like this. Okay, we can check, we can take this example. Okay, there is user list, and in which Amol Rahul Sai is present. Okay, and we can write like this: if users, okay, username equal to Amol. Okay, then if username in users, okay, we must have to mention colon after if. Okay, that's why it gives error, so we can avoid that. Okay, we write a block and we use in operator. Okay, so first we declare dictionary users, in which Amol Rahul Sai exist, and we then use username variable in a block and check if exist, then print user exists, else print username not exist. But in your users the Amol is present, so it gives user exist. Okay, so we have completed this operator. Now one is most important topic, operator precedence. Okay, what is operator precedence? Means which operation will perform first. Okay, so it's like just like mathematics we learn. So first we operation will be happen in within parenthesis. Then this is star used for exponentiation. Okay. For example, two star two, it will give square. If we write three, then it will cube. So this gives power. Okay. So first operation will perform, which is written in parenthesis, then exponentiation operation will perform, then multiplication, divide, and modulus, then plus, minus, and then other this operation also. We will go through example for most important operators. So we can check this is the sequence: parenthesis, exponentiation, multiplication, plus, minus, and this comparison operators, then not. Okay, then and or. So we will give check a simple example like this. Okay, So let's see, as discussed, what will be the, okay, we have this result, okay, result variable. So we want to check which operation will perform first. So as we check here, first is parenthesis, then exponentiation star. So what can be the output of this? Okay, so we can check in notepad. Okay, so first should be the brackets operation should be performed. Okay, so first it will take 2 plus 3 5, 5 minus 1 4. Okay, so what it will be, 4 plus 2 star 6 minus 4 more or less 2 plus this will be 4. Okay, then next is, this is for this bracket, uh, answer will be 4, then multiplied by 2 and its cube. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 2 cube, what is 2 cube? 8. Okay, so it will be right as 8. First, we give preference to bracket operation, which is written in parenthesis. Then we write cube, 8 cube. This was the next precedence. So after that, this multiplication should be performed. Multiplication operation should be performed first. Okay, as per our sheet. Okay, multiplication then plus minus. Okay, so what will be next is 2 plus, it is 2 actually, 2 plus 12, okay, minus 4. What will be the modulus of this? No, this is not modulus actually divided. This will be 2, okay, plus 32. Okay, then this is the plus minus operation. Now we have performed first parenthesis operation, then this is exponential, then multiplication and division. Multiplication and division, which is performed from left to right, which comes first, it will perform. Same is using plus minus. Okay, so plus minus perform from left to right. Okay, so this will be 12 plus 14, 14 minus 2 12, and 12 plus 32 equal to 44. So let's check in command prompt. Okay, print result. Okay, 44 is answer. So we have completed here, not in operator, not in operator, this is, which is membership operator, and also operator precedence. Okay, in next video we are going to learn tuple, set, dictionary in upcoming videos, which is data type of Python. So keep watching and keep learning, and if you have doubt you can ask in comment section. And thank you for watching. We will see in next video. Thank you.